Here I have Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation of that device, and let me show you how to bypass pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following phone. So at the very beginning you need to press the power key and choose power off just to completely switch off the device. Afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key plus volume down. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as the following fast boot and boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to choose here recovery mode. Here I have the recovery mode and press power key to choose it. So now let's wait a few seconds. And as you can see, the Android no command robot pops up. So now all you need to do is start holding power key, and while holding power, let's press volume up once. This is the Android recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down right here to highlight wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power key to choose it. Now let's choose if you would like to erase user data only or user data plus personalized content. In my case, let me use user data plus personalized content, press power key. And that's it, the phone is whipping data, formatting all personal stuff. And as soon as the Android recovery pops up, let's just press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and booting into the welcome panel, so you have to wait a few seconds. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern, password or fingerprint, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.